Okay, so today I'm going to make flower pens for my classroom. And I had bought this pitcher for flowers, but you see that it's metal, so I'm going to use it for the flower pens. I'm going to do sunflowers since there's a sunflower on there. So you'll need plastic flowers. You're going to cut them. And then you'll also need floral tape. And I got them at Walmart for like $3 I think it was. And then you're gonna need some pens so that you can put your pens in there. So let me start. Okay, I'm just gonna show you really fast. You take the flower, it's the last one I have to do. And you take the pen, but leave some space at the bottom so that you can still write. And these are nice, then you always know where your pens are. And then you know who's borrowing your pen if they borrow your pen. But just most important because it's always like you can't find a pen when you're teaching. Or I can't usually, I don't know about you. But anyways, you just roll it around. And it doesn't take that long. The first couple times is the hardest. Okay? And if you're a newer teacher, this is a nice decoration too for your classroom, especially if you teach science or any class, because you know what? It's a decoration. It's calming. Pick a flower that you like. Okay? I'm just going to rip that off. Okay, so here's your flowered pen, and let me show you what it looks like. So that's what it'll look like on your desk, and then when you need a pen, you just pull it out and you have your pen.